wabarakatuh. May peace and blessing of Allah be upon all of you. Today is 15 August 78 Independence Day of India. First of all, I would like to wish Happy Independence Day to everyone. Our topic is Surah of Al-Fatiha.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Praise be to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim.
The most gracious, the most merciful.
Malik Yawmiddin.
Master of the day of judgment.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help.
Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim.
The path of those who have received your grace.
Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alayhim ghayril maghdubi 'alayhim waladdallin.
Not the path of those who have brought down wrath upon themselves, nor of those who have gone astray. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.